Need to meet a teacher? In the SCL app you can request a meeting in seconds. Open the menu, then tap Appointments. Everything sits in 3 tabs: Upcoming for approved meetings, Pending for requests still waiting for approval, and Past for meetings already done. Each card shows who you are meeting, the meeting type, the date and time, how long it lasts, and where it takes place. To request a meeting, tap Book an Appointment. You will see the people available to meet. Names marked in grey mean you already have a booking with that person, so they are not available again. Tap a name to open it. Some people offer more than one meeting type, so choose what your meeting is about. A summary opens with all the details. If you have more than one child, choose which child the meeting is about, or select Not about one child. Add a short reason so the teacher knows what you would like to discuss, then tap Request. Important to know, every meeting you request needs approval first. It is not booked until the school or the teacher approves it. Until then, your request waits in the Pending tab with a pending status. Once it is approved, you get a notification in the app, and the meeting moves from pending to upcoming with a confirmed status. After approval, you can save the meeting to your phone calendar, either from the prompt or from the calendar icon on the card. That is appointments in the SCL app. Request, track, and manage your school meetings from one place.